Hello Slaters, I hope you all are doing well. Slaters, you are doing an excellent job of being regular in watching the video lessons. Keep it up. In today's video, we will be working on the textual exercise of the second lesson. So Slaters, please turn to page number 13 of your EVS textbook. Now let's look into the first bit of the exercise. The first bit is to match the sentences with the sense organs. Now Slaters, I would like you all to write the numbers beside the second column of the listed sense organs. I will explain it as we start working on it. So the first one is, I can hear the rain falling. Now Slaters, which sense organ helps us in hearing the pitter-patter of the raindrops? Yes, it is our ears. So, in the column of sense organs, write number 1 besides ears. Very good. Now let's move further. The second one is, the sandwich tastes good. Now, which sense organs tells us about the taste of the food we eat? Correct, it is our tongue. So, write number 2 besides tongue. Now, the third one. I enjoy reading storybooks. Now Slaters, which sense organ helps us in reading? Yes, our eyes. So, write number 3 besides eyes. Now, the fourth one says, my mother's jacket is very soft. Now here Slaters, this is something related to feeling. Which sense organ helps us in feeling through touch? Good, it is our skin. So, write number 4 besides skin. Now the last one. I think my father has cooked something nice today. Now which sense organ will help you in smelling the food that is being cooked? Very good. It is our nose. So write number 5 besides nose. Well done, Slaters. Now let's continue with bit B of the textbook exercise. Here, we need to tick the correct answer from the given options. Let's start with the first one. The first blank is, we have dash sense organs. The options are 5, 6 and 3. Slaters, how many sense organs do we have? Yes, 5. The fantastic 5. They are eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. Very good. So fill in the blank with the answer 5. Now let's move to the next blank. Dim light or very bright light tires the dash. The options are eyes, ears and nose. Slaters, dim and bright lights would affect our? Good, it will affect our eyes. So, write eyes in the blank. Now, the third blank is people who dash hear well use a hearing aid. The options are can, cannot, and do. Slaters, what do you think will be the correct option? Who uses a hearing aid? Yes, someone who cannot hear. So the answer is cannot. Write cannot in the given blank space. The fourth one is people who cannot speak and hear use dash. The options are sign language, braille, and English. So Slaters, what is the correct option? Will the people who cannot speak or hear use English? No. So will they use braille? No. That is used by the people who are visually challenged, right? So what is the correct option? Yes, sign language. People who are unable to speak and hear use sign language. Very good, Slaters. Now let's move ahead with the exercise. Bit C consists of questions. Let's discuss the answers for these. The first question is, how do the sense organs help us? So Slaters, we all understood from the lesson that sense organs help us in collecting helpful information from our surroundings. Isn't it? They help us to see things, hear sounds, smell things, taste food, and feel things. So Slaters, refer to page number 10, first paragraph of your textbook for writing this answer. Now let's move to the next question. How do taste buds help us? Now Slaters, we know that taste buds are present on our tongue. They are small, tiny bumps on our tongue which help us in experiencing different taste. You can refer to page number 12, the first paragraph, to answer this question as well. The third question is, what causes noise pollution? Now, we know that loud noises which are disturbing causes noise pollution. Isn't it, Slaters? Can you give some examples? Correct. Loud honking of vehicles at the traffic signals, sounds of heavy machines like drilling, fireworks or firecrackers, and use of loudspeakers are some of the examples of loud noises we hear around us. So Slaters, you can refer to page number 11, second paragraph to answer this question. The fourth question is, what is lip reading? Slaters, we know that lip reading is used by people who cannot hear. They watch the movement of our lips while we speak and they understand what we say. This is called lip reading. You can refer to page number 11, fourth paragraph to answer this question as well. Now let's move to the next bit of the exercise. Bit D. Think and answer. Working on the computer for long hours is not good for your eyes. Now Slaters, Tick the things that you must keep in mind while working on the computer. Number 1. Sit very close to the screen. Now Slaters, should we sit very close to the computer screen? No, isn't it? Sitting very close to the computer screen develops eye strain. We should sit at least at an arm's length distance. The second one is, blink your eyes every now and then. Now Slaters, should we blink our eyes every now and then? Yes, we should. Blinking our eyes is important as it spreads the tears over the eye surface. If we do not blink, the surface of our eyes dries out. The third one is, sit a little away from the screen. So Slaters, should we follow this? Yes, as discussed earlier, we should sit at least an arm's length from our computer screen. This does not strain our eyes. Slaters, there is a similar exercise at the end, a value for me. We live in a beautiful world. Find out how you can use your sense organs to make our world a better place to live. Tick the things you should do. The first one is, pick up litter if you see it. So Slaters, what is litter? Litter means rubbish like waste papers, cans or bottles. So should you pick up the litter if you see it? Yes, we all should. We should keep our homes and surrounding clean. We should pick the litter and throw it in the dustbin. The second one is, play loud music because you enjoy it. Slaters, should you do this? No. Loud music might be fun for you, but it can be a cause of disturbance for others. So, we should not play very loud music just because you want to enjoy it. Okay, Slaters? The third one is, speak softly so that nobody gets disturbed. Should you do this? Yes, when you are around many people, it is nice to speak softly so that others are not getting disturbed. Well done, Slaters. Now, let's check the project section. The project involves taking 3 objects like stone, flower and some twigs. You have to observe the object and the color, shape and size of each of this object. Write down your observations on a sheet of paper and draw the objects too. You can write the name, color, shape, size and smell of each object. You also need to write the name of sense organs which helped you in gathering the information about the object. So Slaters, with this we end our textual exercise for second lesson. Please read the lesson and go through the textual exercises too. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.